Alright, so to play Coffee, you've only got 4 chords. You have an A, where I have my second finger on the 2nd fret of my G string closest to my toes, just like A minor, and then I place my first finger on the 1st fret of my C string, 2nd closest to my nose. From there I have A major 7, and what I do to play A major 7 is I do a little flip with my peace sign fingers, so that I'm playing the 1st fret of both the G and the C string, but my 1st finger is on the G string, my 2nd finger on the C string. So A, flip it to A major 7. From there we play D major 7. Now there's 2 ways you can play this. You could do the bar chord, which is lovely, but a lot of people are scared off bar chords. Fair enough, it takes a little bit of strength and practice to get there. So you will have seen in the video, because I made it a little bit easier, because you've already got your hand up here to play A major 7, you simply slide those 2 fingers up a fret, place your 3rd finger down, and then your pinky goes in the 4th fret. So you can see it's exactly the same as the bar chord, because it doesn't matter that you're not playing that 2nd fret, because you're already playing your 4th fret up here. So A major 7 to D major 7. And from there, your pinky slides down one place and you have D7. This song still sounds beautiful if you used D, just a regular D major, and a regular D7, easy D7. If you don't want to try to do that stretch. You do need to make sure your hand pivots, and it does still feel a little awkward to play that chord, but that's your option. So playing the easier the D major and the D major and the D7, it would sound like, don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed, I'll make a cup of coffee for your head, I'll get you up and going out of bed. So you can see it doesn't sound quite as pretty without that little pinky note, but it still sounds fine. As for the strumming, we play the island strum for the entire song. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Now, if you're not confident in strumming, I really recommend that you check out my whole series on strumming patterns, where I teach you from the ground up how to build rhythms, understand rhythms, read them, write them, so that you can feel confident going into any song, look at a rhythm, and hopefully start understanding how to play it. But to count an island strum, you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, up, down, up. I also have a whole video just on the island strum, which could help you build that up. I do recommend just getting that rhythm of the island strum, ba, ba, da, ba, da, da, and tapping away and trying to sing just with the rhythm before using chords as well. Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed, make a cup of coffee for your head. That could be helpful. Once you do that, maybe you'll strum, don't stay awake for too long. From there, focus on your chords, 1 strum each. Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. This song could make a really pretty finger-picking song too. Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed, make a cup of coffee for your head, get you up and going out of bed. Leave a comment below, let me know how you go, I'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe for future lessons.